Hey there. Have you ever found yourself wondering if double glazing is enough for your home, or if you should shell out the extra cash for triple glazing? Well, today I'm here to break it down for you, so you can make a smart decision for your home. First off, let's talk about what glazing actually is. Double glazing involves two panes of glass with a gap in between, usually filled with argon gas, which acts as an insulator. Triple glazing, as you might guess, adds another pane of glass and another layer of gas. The basic idea is the more layers, the better the insulation, right? Well, kind of. When it comes to energy efficiency, triple glazing does have the edge. It can keep more heat in during the winter and more heat out during the summer. So if you're looking to save on your energy bills, triple glazing might sound tempting. But here's the catch, it's more expensive. You're not just paying for an extra pane of glass, but also the more complex installation process. Now, let's consider noise reduction. If you live in a busy area, you might be bothered by traffic noise or noisy neighbors. Triple glazing can provide better sound insulation. However, double glazing does a pretty decent job too, especially if it's good quality. So unless you're living next to an airport, double glazing might be sufficient. Security is another factor. More layers of glass can deter burglars, making your home safer. But again, there are high-quality double-glazed windows that offer excellent security features. It's not always about the number of panes, but the quality of the build. Let's not forget about condensation. With triple glazing, the chances of condensation are lower because the inside pane stays warmer. But double glazing with proper ventilation can also handle this issue well. Finally, the question of cost. Triple glazing is an investment. It's more expensive up front, but it can add value to your home and save you more on energy bills in the long run. On the other hand, double glazing is generally cheaper and still offers solid benefits. So, what's the conclusion? If you live in a really cold area or a very noisy neighborhood and you have the budget, triple glazing might be worth it. But for most homeowners, good quality double glazing is more than enough. Remember, it's all about what suits your specific needs best. I hope this helped clear things up for you. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment if you have any more questions. Thanks for watching.